Then as we entered the southeastern section of the Wildlife Loop Road, we came upon the begging burros. You can spot them where the line of cars have gathered. Accustomed to people and vehicles, they will approach the cars for food. The begging burros will often stick their heads right into the open window of your car, as this one did to us. The burros enjoy being petted as they are very accustomed to human interaction. They are extremely friendly and social. But this is about as close as I want to get to them. You should still use caution around them as they are semi-wild animals and can be unpredictable.